Hello everybody. In last session, we start our seventh chapter, Introduction to Ubuntu Operating System. Introduction to Ubuntu Linux GUI. GUI means Graphical User Interface. We already covered the contents of the GUI of the Ubuntu. The categories and common pre-installed software as mentioned are accessories, games, graphics. As we saw when we start our start menu, some programs are there. See, are you able to see calculator, paint, Skype, notepad? These are all basic software. Same way when we install Ubuntu, at that time office, sound video, we covered up to sound video. This category contains application meant for entertainment. It also includes Brasero disk burner for burning CD and DVD. When we want to type, copy any contents in our CD from computer to CD, we are using burn software. In Ubuntu, the Versio disk burner for burning CD and DVD disc, movie player to play movies on the computer, PTV video editor for performing basic video editing tasks, rhythm box music player to play music, and sound recorder to record your voice if you possess a microphone, and of course voice work recording. Now we are going to start Ubuntu Software Center. Ubuntu Software Center, that means if you are not satisfied with built-in application provided, there are tens of thousands of application, most than free, but some paid as well in the software repositories hosted and maintained by the Canonical Limited. It partners and affiliates the Debian projects on which Ubuntu is based and the other communities and the organization. The option provides you access to host of application both for study and play. The places menu. See this menu, the places menu. This contains say a places menu. Home folder, desktop, document, music, picture, video. The home folder open the currently logged in user's home directory in the Nautilus file browser. This browser has been described in detail in next chapter. Desktop. Open the user desktop folder in Nautilus file browser. This is a folder inside the user's home directory. Documents, music, picture, videos, download. These are the places menu. That means when we start in our Windows, when we start here like this way, this is our, when we start on computer, we are able to see desktop, download, documents, music, videos, computer. So same way, here we are going to see these basic folders: computer, network, connect to server. This option can be used to connect to a variety of powerful server computers running. These all are the main folders. These options can be used to connect to variety of powerful server computers running any Unix like Windows operating system. Large organizations use server computers to provide a common services to all computers on the network. Search a file. This option can be used to search a file or by their name when user forgets in a which directory the file was saved. Recent documents. The documents shows a list of files opened recently. From here, one can reopen a recently used file quickly, having a navigate to directory structure. This facility is also useful in cases where one forgets where one saved. Sometimes we forget in which file we are working before some time. At that time, we are able to see here. See, suppose I am working now MS Word. One option is there, recent file. Recent file means it shows the recently work. I forgot any names. So at that time, I just open, suppose ID password, I forget the name, I see it in recent documents. Same way in Windows it is say recent documents, but here is also recent document. This facility is also useful in cases where one forgets where the one saved a recent file, or when one multiple versions of the same file in different directory and want to open the latest option. Bookmarks. The places menu also displays the bookmarks you have created in Nautilus. If there are only few of them, they are displayed directly in the places menu. Otherwise, they are clubbed together in bookmark. Bookmark, that means if you are working on internet, when you click on one page, the whole and any website, the page related that page, information will be open. When you are go up and down, there will be link. You can directly go to upside, you can directly come to downside. It's called bookmark. The places menu also display the bookmarks you have created in Nautilus. If there are only few of them, they are displayed directly in places menu. Otherwise, they club together in bookmarks menu. These bookmarks let you know open frequently, access directory quickly. Removable devices and removable discovered partitions. If any hard disk partition apart from that one containing the Linux root file system is discovered during the boot process, the same is listed in places menu. Opening the partition automatically mounts it. Similarly, any removable devices aren't mounted automatically and displayed in places menu. The system menu. This menu shows the figure 7.4. This is a system menu. It's like a power control panel. See, preferences, animation, self, allows the user to customize one's Ubuntu installation and carry out system administration. This menu has two submenus, namely preferences and administration. It is also three other options. See, preferences and animation. It shows the arrow. That means some contents are also available in it. Preferences menu. The preferences submenu as shown in figure 7.5 provides various ways of customizing our system. Some options of preferences menu are discussed here with about menu me allows the currently login user and view and modify their profile. Appearance that allows the user to change the desktop background image, set the default font size and various categories, and select theme. The appearance, you are able to set the appearance of your computer, your screen. Customer choosing and applying the theme applies of a harmonious setting of desktop wallpaper, fonts, colors, appearance of the different. That this is simply like this way. In our Windows, we are working right click, personalize. This menu shows it like this way. But it is accordingly, it's apart from built-in themes, more themes are available online. There is a tab for visual effects here. Three levels of visual effects are provided: none, normal, and extra. The default is none. Depending on the graphics capability of your system, the other two options may or may not be permitted. Setting a higher level enables a wide range of 2D and 3D visual effects. Assistive technology. These all are the menu. We are selecting, we are using this menu for our work. Assistive technology provides a special programs and setting to help physically challenged people use the computer. Main menu. Option allows us to decide which items appear in the menus and which items do not. Main menu. User with a little more knowledge can also add or modify menu items. Monitor. This option can be used to set monitor options, particularly and display resolution, number of pixels in row and number of such rows. Mouse preferences, it will set the mouse setting. Network connection and network proxy. If your computer will be connected with another computer, you want to connect another computer with your computer, you will set the network connection. Power management. It is used to set options that conserve power. These options cause the computer to turn off display or get Hypernet sleep mode when not used to certain duration. When we will not work with the computer, it will automatically go to Hypernet option. That means it used to power save. Preferred applications lets you to choose your favorite application for common internet and multimedia tasks. Considering that there are many choices of applications for common tasks in Linux, these menu items allows you to specify your preferences. Prepared application, which application you want to store in your system, your favorite application, you want to install any game, you want to install any other software which required for your study. That is remote desktop. This is a very good option remotely. When you are using your remote to change your TV channel, same way we are using a remote connection to connect with another computer which is on far distance from your computer. Allow you to share your desktop with someone else. When you share your desktop with someone, both of you and that user see your desktop on a continually updated basis. When any one of you move the mouse or press a key, the effect will be seen both. This facility has many uses like allowing worker to work on office computer from home. Nowadays, due to lockdown, so many people work from home. They are using this remote desktop technology. This is very useful. We are not able to go to office. At that time, we are working from home and we need to connect at our office system. We are using remote desktop. This facility has many uses like allowing worker. So, of course, the appropriate security measures are present to prevent unauthorized access to your computer. Screensaver. This is an application that springs to into action when the user does not perform any action. You are using screensaver on your computer. You want to show your name, you want to show your picture. When user will not touch his system, there is a setting. We cannot work with 5 to 10 minutes. We can set any screensaver will come. Sound allows the user to set volume level. Startup application, which application we want to automatically start when the computer starts. Control the which application are automatically started with computer start. Underline this line. Whenever this all single line you should be underlined. Ubuntu One, this is a canonical cloud storage solution. It allows you to purchase music and store your files on canonical server computer. You may access them anywhere in the world from any Ubuntu computer, provided you to internet connectivity. Windows lets you set some basic options regarding the behavior of application. Windows in particular, you may choose the what action you should be taken when you double click on the title bar of a window. The possibilities include maximizing window, minimizing window, and restoring window vertically, horizontally. This is a window setting. Today I will conclude this session here. You must be read the all contents properly. Thank you very much.